Minnesota leaders are responding to shifting federal guidelines for vaccines.
Governor Tim Walz issuing an executive order now, he says, to protect vaccine access in the state. Our Soyoung Kim joining us live at the Capitol. Soyoung, what does this order actually do?
There's a lot of questions around the rollout of the latest COVID-19 vaccines. So this order directs state agencies to provide some guidance to both the public and providers in the coming weeks.
mRNA technology poses more risk than benefits.
Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is leading major shifts to federal vaccine policy. The FDA recently limited use of the latest COVID-19 shots, approving it for all seniors 65 or older, or those with at least one health condition, previously making it available for people 6 months and up. Next, Kennedy's vaccine advisory panel will meet to consider updated policies for immunizations, including COVID-19. These dynamics have created many questions for patients and providers, asking who can get the vaccine and whether insurers will cover it if guidance from the federal government changes. Now, Governor Tim Walz responding in a statement that reads in part, quote, "While the Trump administration attempts to limit Americans' access to preventative care, Minnesota will be guided by science and medical expertise, prioritizing the health and safety of our people." Walz issued an executive order Monday directing the Minnesota Department of Health to work with other state agencies to, quote, "remove barriers to vaccine access to the fullest extent permitted by law." It also asks the Department of Commerce to work with health plans regarding safeguarding their access and limiting the costs of vaccines. Walz says unlike many other states, according to the FDA license, Minnesota allows pharmacists to administer both the flu and COVID vaccines to patients ages 3 and up without a separate prescription, and says that process does not rely on the advisory committee's recommendations. Live in St. Paul tonight, Soyoung Kim, Fox 9.
All right, thank you, Soyoung.